Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a kind of not a two-part video, but two sections. First of all, I'm going to show you how I do my laundry when I have a lot to do and how I kind of make it easier on myself. And then secondly, I'm going to show you how I fold jeans and like t-shirts and just the way that has been working for me lately. So this may not be rocket science at all, but I've been doing laundry for a lot of years and I've never done my laundry like this, but it has made things so much easier. So I don't know about you guys, but I don't mind putting laundry in the washing machine and then putting it in the dryer. Like that's the easiest part, no big deal, right? So when it comes out of the dryer is when I start to, my head explodes and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I can't. So what I've started doing is basically separating clothes when especially when you have a lot. So like this right here is my daughter's, she just got back from vacation. We've got the cat over there. She just got back from vacation and she literally dumped her suitcase on the dining room floor. So I was like, oh, I love that. But anyways, she dumped it on the floor and then she's also got clothes from her bedroom. I took out all of the undergarments, you know, just for obvious reasons. So this is just like her shirts, workout wear, pants, jackets, sweatshirts, that kind of thing. So what I do is instead of doing a load of just like darks or lights or let's see, what else would you do? I don't know. Anyways, what I do is I just put like all the jeans in one load. I put jeans, workout wear, her underwear, socks, anything that would be worn like on the bottom half of the body. Or sometimes I'll do socks alone, but it's either like jeans, workout wear, underwear, shorts, all in one load. So that way when you're folding and putting away, everything is pretty much going into the same drawer or space. You know what I mean? So if you're just folding pair after pair of jeans, it's like you're not, for me, for some reason in my head, like when I'm folding different things, like there's socks and there's t-shirts and then you have to hang and then you have to fold. It's like, I don't know, I just don't want to do it. So for me, just doing like one article of clothing, like the same article of clothing in one load makes a world of difference for me. So doing all jeans and just having all pants to fold or socks to put together. And so the same with the shirts, like I'll do all like shirts and sweatshirts and then like her bras, I'll put all that into one load. And now the only thing I would say is if you have something that you're not supposed to wash, like if I have delicates or something, then obviously I'm not going to wash that. But most of her things can be washed together. They're not like color fast or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and sort her clothes. And then after like the first load comes out, I'll show you how I fold. Like I think I'll start with probably her jeans and her pants first, and then we'll move on to shirts. But you can do this with anyone. Like if you have, like say you have children, you can do all of your children's shirts together, or you can do all of your children's bottoms, shorts, pants, pajama pants, those kind of things. You can do it with anyone really, but I'm just doing my daughter's today because she literally just dumped her clothes on the floor. So let's go ahead and I will speed up through the sorting and we will get to it. Okay, hey guys, so these are my daughter's pants or jeans, and I've already folded them in half. I don't know if you can see here. Okay, the dog just decided to cruise by. Hopefully this is a good angle. I can't really tell. Okay, so anyways, what I do is this is based off the KonMari method, and for some reason this just works for me. I don't know why. I don't know, it just works for me. Once I started doing it, it kind of like takes a little bit to get the hang of it, because you're like, gosh, I'm taking all this time, but it's really fast. So what you do is you get the crotch area right here, and you fold it inwards like that, and then you bring the bottom of the pants to the top, to the seam of the jeans, and then you just take and you fold once, and then you fold twice, and it makes this like, where am I going? It makes this tight little thing. So basically what happens is when you stick it up in the drawer, and I'll show you her drawers when I get them refilled with her clean jeans, sit up like this, and it's really super simple. So there's one pair. Does anyone else's kids do this where everything is constantly inside out? So irritating. So does anyone else feel like Thanksgiving and Halloween went by way too fast this year? I don't know why or how. Let me move these. I don't really know why or how, but it just seems like everything went by really fast. Okay, can you... So with like looser pants like these are really loose, like kind of lounge pants, I guess. They kind of work the same. They're a little bit harder because they're not as stiff as jeans, but so you just fold the inner like crotch area in. You pull the legs, the ankles up to the top, and then you fold once and then twice, and then so then you can lay them up on top of there. I'll do another pair of jeans. I seriously tell her, I'm like, put your jeans inside out. I mean, not inside out, but right side in. So yeah, so once I, okay, what am I trying to say here? Once I got the hang of this and started just folding everything like this, it just became easier as time went on. The only thing I don't do that KonMari does is the socks. I think she does socks in like little, I think she says like sushi rolls or something. I can't do that. I just pair socks and then lay them flat. So, okay. So the inner crotch area here, and then you bring the ankles up to the top, then you fold once, and then twice, and then so this is how it kind of starts stacking up in your drawers, and it just looks really nice and uniform. And yeah, it just, okay, which way am I going? I have this screen upside down. So okay, that's that. I'll show you shirts, and I'm gonna finish folding these, and then I'll show you shirts and this really cool trick I saw this girl do with hanging stuff. I thought it was amazing. Okay, see you guys in a minute. Okay, so real quick, the tip that I saw from another YouTuber, what's it called? This Crazy Life. I don't know, I've been watching her obsessively. If you haven't checked her out, if you like Clean With Me videos, she's amazing. I like her. I like her a lot. So anyway, she was not folding clothes, she was doing something, and she was showing how to hang your clothes really easy. So what you do is you just lay your clothes flat like this, if you can see, and then you just stick your hanger right on in, and then you go to the next one. This isn't mine. I don't know. This came in my daughter's suitcase, but it's not mine. Okay. Then you go on to the next one, and you just put your hanger in. These are wet clothes that I like to hang dry sometimes. And then you go on to the next one. There you go. So you've got all of, you know, your stuff. You can hang it really quick. Okay, so now I'm going to show you t-shirts really fast. How I fold t-shirts. Now I usually do this just like in the air. I don't have to set it down or anything, but I'm going to set it down just because I think you can see it a little bit better. Let me see See if I can, there we go. It's a little better maybe. Okay. So usually what I do, I mean, I can just hold it up like this and just fold and go. But for demonstration purposes, I'll just show here. So what you do is you just lay your shirt out and you just bring one side in like this. And then you bring your other side in like that. And then you just wrap it up. Let's see, I'm trying to think how many times I go. Do I go like four times? I don't know. I like it to sit nice and neat like that, and then so that it's like that. So it's like a flat little pancake. So then this one, same thing. There's, see, I just like folded the, I just fold, you know, I use my hands to just fold it mid-air, and then you just fold like that. So then you have another, so then when they sit in the drawer, they're up like this. I'll just show one more time. Try it this way. So just fold like that. And like that. They have boards too that you can buy, but I think those are just like kind of extraneous. You can go all the way up to the top if you want, and then fold again. There's different ways you can do it, but you just want to basically get a small. So once you get the hang of this, I mean, it's super easy. It just takes a little bit if you're not used to folding things like this. A lot of her t-shirts I hang up because she wears some of them more, but these are more like her dance shirts or just like shirts that she wears with jammies or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and show you her drawers so you can see how they're folded since I'm doing her laundry today. But next time maybe I'll show you my drawers. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is her jeans drawer. So you can see here how everything kind of sits like really nice and neat. And you kind of have to squish your jeans down a little bit if you have like not a very good drawer system like us. We've had this drawer, 4-drawer thing for dresser. That's what it's called. We've had this dresser probably, gosh, before Ashley was even born, so a long time. So this is her jammy drawer, so you can see everything is just all, it's not perfect, and you know what, I don't want it to be, like, it's fine. It works. It just helps her keep some sort of order, and it helps keep me kind of sane. And then down here are the t-shirts, and this is what I was talking about as far as, you know, the t-shirts just fit in there nicely, and you can kind of see like on the edge like what they are. So if you're looking for a certain shirt, it's like no biggie. So okay, that's it. That is how I do laundry and how I fold, just to kind of make things a little bit easier for me. Let me see, is her, well, I was just going to show you socks, but honestly socks just are like this. I just do this and I lay all of them flat like this, and I put them in her drawer. Someday I'll show you my drawer because I do the same thing, but that's how hers is. Okay, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, give me a little comment down below and let me know if this works for you, or if you do something similar, or if you think it's too much. I know some people, like, I didn't read all of the KonMari book, but some of what I looked into, I was just like, oh man, just a little too much for me. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.